Hi everyone, so we're looking at the NQ here, just now coming in to start trading. Right now it's 7:30 and we're looking at this measured move here. So overall price is in this uptrend that's been going on over several days, and now we have this push up and a break. So uptrend, break. When an uptrend gets a break, we can expect price to attempt a new high. And here, what we ended up getting, which we might get an entry lower down here if we don't get filled up here on a more typical entry. So, sorry, I'm distracted by the trade. So basically, okay, it's already set. All right, so we have this uptrend break. Price is likely to attempt a new high after an uptrend break, especially when it's already inside of a wider uptrend. And, whoops. And right now, price made these two legs up. It's pushing off of the overnight low here. You can see we have this push up, break, and attempt at a new high. This little reversal attempt, but then that failed and made the bigger picture leg up with two smaller legs. And so basically, this uptrend, yeah, it has the two attempts at a new high already. And so we're just looking for a short-term reversal. We're not expecting it to full-on reverse here because this uptrend could still make a new high on a bigger picture. Now you have to take it one price action level at a time. We have the two attempts at a new high. It's fading this range right here that it's just breaking. It's off this trend line. And so we can look for a short-term failure off of the two initial attempts at a new high, because these two pushes higher here are the first two attempts to make a new high for this uptrend. And if it pushes down right here and reverses on down, then that doesn't mean this uptrend is played out with these two attempts. It could still easily make a bigger picture attempt. And so I just wanted to explain that when we take these trades, we're not expecting full-on reversals. I certainly wouldn't expect it to go past this structure right here, which I'm not even pushing my target all the way down to there, because 115 for these measured move trades, as I explained in my last video, has been good on the NQ lately. And so I'm kind of, I'm just sticking with what I've been doing, with what's been working. And yeah, so anyway, all right, so we're out of that. And, we'll see what price does next. If we push on out here, if we push through, we have to stick with the bears just because it's pushing down. And if we push out these lows, we just have to wait and see how price reacts to the breakout, because there's going to be bulls that want to fade back in and get catch a reversal on the fade and also make the new high for this uptrend. But if we push lower and get a couple attempts higher and it has a clear hold below the overnight low, then we'll have to stick with that, and we can continue this trend until we get a larger break of this downtrend that we've got forming. So we just have to stick with what price is doing in the moment, and just you have to wait to see how price reacts to things. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here. I hope you enjoyed that trade. I'll start recording if anything else interesting happens, or not if, when. And yeah, so I'll see y'all later.